Good luck.
Hi, everybody. Dale Pinkard here. US dollar yen still holding, not quite at Goldie's target, up near 110. Saw some tweets that said we could go 1080, 1070. That'd be halfway back to this previous low, old support, new resistance in the yen. Euro showing a little bit of divergence here, but under 30. And I want to congratulate Ricardo on his buy in Canada yesterday at 27.5. It was good for 150 pips. And also I'd like to congratulate D. Kadick on his crude short up here. Got a nice buck or so pullback. Who's in the house and what do we do today? Hi, Roland, KA. Hello, Sinatra. Khalid, nice trade. Everyone congratulate Khalid on his short crude call yesterday, crude trade. Hello, Pipper. Hi, Alexandros. Todd. Hi, Goldie. And want to congratulate Ricardo when he gets here for his bottom pick in Canada. It was a nice 150 pip range from when he did it. So LAR strikes again. What's everyone thinking here today? Let's go to work. S&P's almost got to the 2085 number. In fact, it should be there today on the opening. There you are, Rick. Everyone congratulate Ricardo on his scalp on the long side of USD CAD yesterday from the 27.5 level. Rallied 100 pips for Ricardo. Nice trade, Rick. Nice trade, Khalid. Anyone else participate on the long side of CAD for a pop? What's everyone up to today? So everyone can congratulate Rick and D. Kadick. I used the cursor technique for D. Kadick yesterday on the crude. We were here and he was nervous about the trade, so I started going 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. And it worked, right, Khalid? Didn't the cursor technique help you out yesterday afternoon after LAR threw a little magic on the trade? I know most of you in here are familiar with the cursor technique. Anyone, if you're not familiar with the cursor technique, can you give me a why? I'll teach it to you now. Normally sell this. Nice, Rick. Congratulations. Usually sell this teaching method of the cursor technique for about $9,999.99. It was a great trade, Tosin. I don't think you'll feel bad about it. How you doing, Zig? JM, how are you? Ibby. I think I see a few new handles in here. Everyone welcome Natalie. Ever feel we shoot out a screenshot so that some of these new handles know what we do in here. M Fundo. Welcome, M Fundo. I don't know, maybe you guys were here for a previous webinar. Welcome, M Fundo. Hi, Dion Abel. K7's back. One hour oil chart, head and shoulders or third drive. Yeah. Nice trade, Alex. Okay, here's Sinatra's crude look. Sorry, Frank, I didn't see it. Here's Sinatra's looking crude. He's thinking one more push, Khalid. Frank. That's life. That's what people say. Crude's flying high in April, shot down in May. But boy, will it be singing that tune when it's back at 50 in June. That's crude. That's crude. That's what people say. Flying high in April, shot down in May. Thank you, Sinatra. I give you a little Frank with your crude chart. Nice, Luca. What you got, Decadic? Right shoulder or third drive, yeah. I'd almost go with the third drive, but you know, the Doha News Sunday. We had one divergence. Nice look though, Khalid. Everyone thank Decadic for his crude look, and thanks Sinatra for his crude look. Thank you, DK. Thank you, Sinatra. Here's a Dixie look from Alex. So maybe this is 1 or A. We get a B back to here, and then we go above the clouds to 98. Like this scenario. I like that scenario, Alexandros. Thank you, buddy. Everyone thank Alexandros for a great look on the Dixie. Hi, Fab. Nice look, Alex. How are you, Roland, JM, Horace, Ibby, Ed Z, M. Fundo? Hello, Pan. Welcome back. Jake, how are you? K7, welcome back. Luca's got something. Luca's looking for a new high in Euro Pound. This was a nice pullback. And now maybe we blow one more time. Thank you, Luca. Right back to these previous highs. Decent shot. I want to thank Luca for his bullish view on Euro Pound. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Luca. For Sinatra's Euro. Right here. Interesting. This was a nice little 3, wasn't it, up here? 1, 2, 3. That was pretty nice. Okay, thank you, Sinatra. I'm assuming your bias is back to the upside. Everyone doing okay? Hello, Midas. How are you? Abel, how are you doing, my friend? JM, what's up? Dion, how you doing? Okay, so this will just be a failing rally because it declined in 5 waves. So that makes this impulsive. And now we look for fib retraces. There's about a 220 pip decline, so the next one could be 300, 350. So if we get to 1350, maybe back down to 110. We show Alex's euro. So according to Alex's work, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes this impulsive. This was all corrective. Sideways chop. This was impulsive. So in Elliott wave terms, we should be looking for a wave 2, some type of ABC to fib, and then maybe 1.618 of this after the rally terminates. Give me a Y if you get it. And thank Alex for his euro look. Hi, Mario. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Alex. Third drive on what? Oh, on the Dixie. One more drop down here into May. If you don't learn how to change your mind, you won't have any change left. Unless we penetrate these highs. That's a nice falling wedge. Thank you, Luca. Brooks got something for us. Everyone thank Luca for, I believe that's the FXCM dollar index. Here's Brooks, Euro trading plan. Okay, so he's looking for a failing rally here too. Kind of lines up with what Alex was saying. So we have some LAR confluence calling this first wave down significant. We rally back to the breakdown. Brook is playing the bounce back to 1360, which is 100 pips, and then down to 1140 would give it a quality. Nice view, Brook, on the euro. So we have some LAR confluence that we're going to get a rally in euro, but it's going to be a rally to sell for lower levels. LAR confluence. Thank you, Brook. The lead's got to look. Aussie Kiwi. So it did end up holding this 110, which was what I thought it could do. Someone influenced me to think we were going to go to 106, but yeah, this is on its way. This was the pullback. That was my original thought. Nice look, D. Kadic on Aussie Kiwi. probably on its way to the 120 handle. Buy breaks. And here's Brooks. Yen look. Pull back and then 110.60. Okay. Like it. Okay, some nice looks by the community in 18 minutes. We have some agreement that the euro's going to pop. There might be 100 pips from here, but there's 200 or more after that rally. Aussie Kiwi held where I originally thought it would, and you look at the weekly on Aussie Kiwi, you have the potential for 126 on that. So thank you, DK. Thank you, Brooke. Thank you, guys. From yesterday at 119.25. Thank you, Luca. I think that's the wrong number, 119. You mean 109.25? That's 109, right? Okay. If the pound outperforms, yeah. There's Brooks Guppy. Oh, this is great. Thank you, Brooke. Thank you, Brooke. Everyone doing all right? BOE was a yawner, non-event. I've been up for 4 hours. Okay, Luca. It was a good cover in your DAX the other day. Group, PWN. Thank you, Brooke. Okay, calm down. When able. Yesterday. What Euro group is on the 22nd? Dion, what is that meeting? Not a G20 or anything. We just had the G20. Hello, Sugi. Welcome to LAR, Sugi. Nice to meet you. Okay, thank you, Dion. Everyone welcomes Sugi to our community. How are you, Pan? How about a LAR welcome for Sugi? Okay, Tozen made a request because both he and I are down on our bearish view of stock indexes. So this is for you, Tozen. Hang in there, buddy. You know why? It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. But don't be scared, cause you'll still be right on the call. Never said I was perfect, that would be a lie. Never said I was perfect, that would be a lie. But we're more right than wrong, and we can look you in the eye. Watch us fly. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. It ain't nothing but a drawdown or a margin call. But don't be scared, cause you'll still be right after all. All right, buddy? You feel better? We got 2085 today. Maybe it's going to 21. What do you got, Luca? Yeah, Luca's got a little higher and then the sell-off. Maybe it'll take till next week to get there. Nice look, Luca. I want to thank Luca for his DAX look. DAX being the weak sister in global bourses. Thank you, Luca. Glad to serve, Tosin. Couple minutes away from the U.S. Open. Kind of mixed opening. What's your favorite thing about LAR, guys and ladies? Mario, how are you? Nice to meet you. Natalie. Pan. Rick. Ed. Oh, there's a new handle. PR Trading. PR Trading. Okay. Everyone welcome PR Trading to our room. Welcome, PR. Welcome to LAR. I see another new handle. Hi, Harris. Everyone welcome PNM. PNM. Welcome to LAR. How about a few more screenshots so new handles could see how we operate our mastermind in here? Take a look at our mastermind community. See how, show them how we collaborate. Everyone doing all right? If you're trying to put up a link, Sugi, for some reason it's not working. Can anyone help Sugi with his link? Trying to show us some charts and loses screen share virginity here. There you go. See if it works. There you go. Thank you, Sugi. Nice look. Aussie yen looking for an explosion to the upside. Not 86 targets. Thank you, Sugi. And thanks Sugi for his Aussie yen look. 1 hour, 86 objective. And here's Brute, CAD yen. Looking for a move to 84.60-ish. About 40 pips, short-term call. Thank you, Sugi. Thank you, Brooke. Thanks, Sugi and Brooke. S&P's flat. Everyone doing okay? IG the broker pan. Everyone doing okay? Hi, Planet brother. Hello, my trading warrior brother, Planet 372. How are you? Here's Brooks Euro Yen. Just broke a little symmetrical triangle. Looks like a continuation formation. He's looking for new lows here. Thank you, Brooke. Everyone thank Brooke for that. Do you work at IG? And do you work at IG? I don't think he said Armageddon, Luca. Turning point, he said. Turning point. You're being facetious. Eurocad. I respect Norm Linsky. He's a hardworking guy. Comes here in hopes of finding students. I've told him to lower his expectations in here. Let's face it, the whole internet business model has made it rough for people that ask for $1 for anything. We live in a world where if it's free, it's me. If it's free, it's me. Not many want to pay for much anymore, do they? Even a guy's life's work. Okay. What group? The Skype group with Goldie or with Rick? What group? No. Well, gold still looks like one of two scenarios. Either this was the right shoulder, or we're going to have one more drive to new highs. Tolson sold it right here and took profits. I think he said he has a low Ali. No, I just didn't know what group. There are other groups. Okay, so Tolson took a tactical long in gold. I assume he's looking for 1310. That's right. You called that, Ali. 1230, you called it. Rick's got a look. Aussie yen. Yeah. 84.5, 86. We break out, the stock market blows. We break down. Okay. Thank you, Rick. Chris Laurie, a big believer in Aussie yen being the key risk on, risk off currency. Chris Laurie teaches that. Thank you, Rick. I'm as brilliant as a diamond, Planet. You better put on your shades. Everyone doing okay? Thanks for asking, Planet. Everyone all right? I think I'll take a quick break now. I'll show Brutes, and then I'm going to take a break. Okay, so here's Brutes' look for new highs in gold. Or a failing rally. Thank you, Brooke. I want to thank Brooke for his gold look and his best guess for the road less traveled. I'm going to take a 5-minute break now. You guys could continue to collaborate. They're usually not very long. I can't leave yet. Everyone doing all right? Okay, I'll be back in 5. Thank you, everyone, for sharing your work so far today, as you do every day, all you guys. You guys are humanitarians, and I nominate each and every one of you for the Nobel Peace Prize in humanitarianism. Be back. Okay, I'm back. Everyone doing okay? Kind of a quiet session. Gold trying to put a little tail in here. Crude looks like it wants to make a move to one more high. Here comes the euro for that pop. Rook is along the euro. Rook's the man today. Looking for 1320, 1350. Nice shot, Rook. There's a nice euro look from Luca. Held this uptrend line. Thank you, Luca. Thank you, Rick. I think I saw this on Twitter. Right at an important support. Pretty ugly. Everyone thank Rick. Everyone thank Rick and Luca. Thank you, guys. Yeah, yeah. Looks the best at the top and the worst at the lows, huh, Ricky? Okay. Thank you, Rick. So everyone thank Rick for that live trade call. He's buying it here, looking for 85 and then 90. Rick bought it at 7.5 yesterday. Okay. Thank you, Dion. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Planet. Planet's long USD CAD as well. Everyone okay? Looks good. Yeah. Nice candle here. Second high or low, or at least first high or low, right here. 29.70. FX Pro's target, which should mean that maybe crude's not going to make a new high, right? Maybe you are getting your right shoulder, DK. Okay, Brooke. Glad you're enjoying Sinatra. Who feels like Sinatra? Getting a little minor profit taking in the S&Ps right here. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. S&P's down 4. Dion, I don't know. I have a medium. There's so many support levels along the way at Alexandros, but actually I'm looking for 1930, 1940. That's my monthly off number. It's 1930 for April. But people are saying the 200-day 2020, and a lot of people in the 1970, 1960 camp. Hope that helps. I believe 1940 would be close to halfway back. There's a nice testimonial. Why don't you capture that one, Mauricio? From Luca. That's a nice testimonial to grab. And Sinatra's wasn't bad either. Up to you. Everyone doing okay? Does that help you, Alex? Aussie more than Kiwi, you think? There's another one. Testimonials are flying out in the chat today. They're just flying out. No, Brooke, I don't remember it, but congratulations. I usually remember every trade. I don't remember this. Kiwi Swiss. Thank you, Brooke. Oh, it's all of a sudden. Thank you for your mentoring, Rick. Lucas oil look. We'll pull back before new highs. And that was Brooks oil look, and here's Lucas Dow look. So 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. Thank you, Brooke and Luca. Yeah. You really think retail traders short stocks? You really think they short stocks? They might buy bearish ETFs. I don't think retail shorts the market. It's too complicated. Thank you, Planet. Yes, there's an old expression. It takes time to turn a battleship around. You ever hear that? It takes time to turn a battleship around. But, you know, we've been moving sideways for a year. I'm not saying we can't break out, and Peter Goodburn could be right, 2235. But almost 1 year of moving sideways usually isn't consolidation. Now short market. Okay. How are they doing it? Shorting individual issues, shorting futures. So maybe we have to go to 2200. Yeah, that looks pretty good. The gold silver ratio is breaking down too. Be long silver, short gold. Okay. Okay, so the futures. Brook is long, Todd. Brook showed his long euro trade. And Alexandros showed that we completed 5 down, due for a bounce. It scrolled back. And I think Brook is too. And Alexandros showed a nice 5-wave decline, due for some type of ABC correction of the recent decline. So I would say LAR sentiment is today long euro, looking for about 100 pip pop. You're very welcome. Glad to serve. Yeah, here's Brooks. Look. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Brooke. Hello, everybody. Is your trading out of tune like Dale's guitar? Close your eye. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself on your yacht. It's a calm sea with a very warm sun and the cool ocean breeze. You feel it against your face. And you have Wi-Fi on your boat. And you open up your platform. And you thought you were doing one lot. But you had a fat finger. And you did 100 lot instead. And the market's going your way 200 pips. And your girlfriend and wife smile at you and say, "You are the master of the universe." And as you pull into the dock, you wake up and discover it was only a demo trade. It was only on your demo. Keep dreaming. That was my visualization exercise. Good one, Sinatra. I may not be the cutest, but I'm kind of a Buddhist. All right, Luca? I may not be the cutest, but I'm somewhat a Buddhist. Crew doesn't want to sell off. Now I'll do a good visualization for you guys tomorrow. People used to like that. CAD, trying. Everyone doing okay? We have about 40, 50 minutes left. Yeah. Also look at the gold silver ratio, KA. Yeah. But the gold silver ratio peaked at 80. And in a true bull market, it should at least get back down to 40. So I think that's a trade a lot of people are going to work now, is the gold silver ratio. Peaked at 80. Anyone have a chart of the gold silver ratio? Any metalheads in here? Thank you, Brooke. I think Rick's buying it. Rick's long, pound Aussie. Don't fade Ricardo. Don't fade Brooke. Don't fade Luca. Don't fade DK. For sure, don't fade Ricardo or Alexandros or Planet or Ali. Hello, Hans. Welcome to LAR. Everyone, welcome Hans, the best FX community on the net. Maybe you've been here before, Hans. Welcome, Hans. Stay far away from bank stocks. Because Armstrong's still bullish the Dow and S&P, though. So that's the one sector Marty says to avoid. Thank you, Sinatra. Brooke, you were short? Okay. Yeah, Rick takes to heart because he's a scale-in trader, and he's a very excellent timer. But he takes to heart that you can't expect perfection at the crap table. Don't expect perfection at the crap table. There can always be a would've, could've, should've. Would've, could've, should've. You're never in enough when you're right, and you're always in too big when you're wrong. See? 1/3. Rick goes in thirds. Right. When did you start doing partials, Rick? When you started, you didn't do partials, did you? When did you come to that Aussie Kiwi broke out? Okay. Yeah, we're going to 123 in Aussie Kiwi. The weekly, let's look at the weekly on that one. So this was just a pullback, and the neckline is still up here at 113.30. This looks like a head and shoulders bottom to me. Everyone see this is a weekly Aussie Kiwi. Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. Here's your right shoulder on the verge of a breakout, as Brooke is saying. It's a 1,300 point pip formation. It can measure up to 127, 123 minimum. It's a big trade. And probably has a lot to say about the gold rather than the milk. Okay? And here's the monthly. See it here? Yeah. That's right. Thank you, Brooke. Thanks for the alert. But the weekly is the one that really tells the story here. See, in getting back to here, 125. $61.8 is 123.40. Write that number down. 123.40 is 61.8 back. Give me a Y if you see it. That's a campaign trade. Okay. And that was the breakdown. So back to the breakdown in 61.8. Only Sinatra and Brooke get it. Luca gets it. I'm sure Rick will be on it. Rick's the one who alerted me to it down here at the head. Okay, same look. Here's Brooke's long-term view. Gets it up to 24. Yeah. We're kindred spirits on this. Thank you, Brooke. Everyone hanging in there? Did you buy that pullback to 110? Because that's what I was looking for, 109.50, 110, which is exactly what we got. Pulled right back to the breakout. Someone told me they thought we were going to go to 106. I didn't think so. It's a nice looking chart. You're wrong under 109. Okay. 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 It's all right. I don't blame you for a bum steer. We're all captains of our own ship. Amen? Aye, aye, Captain. Yes, Rick. Excellent explanation. All right, Brooke. We're all captains of our own ship. We don't blame anyone for what we do incorrectly in the market. We don't say we were influenced, so we didn't do a trade because da said this, so it talked me out of a trade, and I would have done it, but I was influenced, and no. We're all responsible for what we do and what we don't do in our own accounts. In the markets, we control our own destiny, and there's no blame in LAR. Amen. I'm not blaming anyone, and looking in the mirror and taking responsibility for every decision we make in the market, win, lose, or draw. Give me more than one amen. I only got one from Dion. I want some agreement. There we go. There's agreement. That's all amen means, is I agree. I agree. Here's my Donald Trump. Here's my Donald Trump imitation. I'm going to make LAR great again. I'm going to make FX Street great again. I'm going to make Twitter great again. I'm going to make CNBC great again. Good point. Yeah, very good point. That's harder to do for me. Good one, Luca. And we're going to win Everyone in here is going to get so sick of winning, you're just going to get sick of it. You're going to get so sick of winning, you're going to have to close your account because it's going to make you so nauseous that you keep winning and winning and winning, and you'll miss losing. You'll miss losing. You'll miss it so much that you'll take in rookie traders and give them all your money and have them blow up your equity, just so you remember what it was like to lose again. We don't win at anything anymore. We don't win. We don't win with China. We don't win with Japan. We don't win with Mexico. We can't beat ISIS. We just don't win anymore. But I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do, but just believe me, I'm going to make everything great. And you know what? Very fast. I'm going to make things happen so fast, you'll blink your eyes and it'll already have happened. Our greatness will be back. Trump's going to fire Yellen, I heard. You really were? Is that true story, Sinatra? Okay. Rick, I'm going to make you great again. Rick. Okay. Rick's going to make you great again with the pound kiwi. That does look pretty good. Yeah, wedge, and then it breaks out of the wedge. So you just drop your stop under this low, Rick? Just drop your stop in here? Or would you just put a piece on and give it like a couple hundred pips tolerance? Give it some tolerance, even under this low? What do you think? Put a small piece on, hold it forever, but give it without a lot of leverage, and be ready to buy more if it pulls back one more time. If it drops one more time. What do you think? Thank you, Rick. Just put a small piece on, risk 200 pips, and hope you could buy another small piece 100 lower. Although it looks pretty good here. Go ahead. Weekly? Yeah, I think that's what Rick showed, and I said it looked ugly. Now that I look at the 1 hour, it looks pretty good, actually. So So maybe you just have your stop here. So it retraced 78.6. Thank you, Brooke. Yeah. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Come in the hangout or what? Pardon me. Yeah, we have 25 minutes or so. You want to come into the hangout or just text it? Dion, are you day trading the euro? Let me ask you this. Are you day trading the euro? Okay. In the same account or different accounts, Rick? Same account or different account? Do you scalp in one account? Okay. 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 Do you do it in the same account? Euro Kiwi. Thank you, Brooke. I'm assuming you're long looking for this. Everyone thank Brooke for that chart. Okay, everyone thank Rick for sharing how he trades position and scalp. Thank him for his explanation. I want to thank Rick for sharing his style. Hello, Mystic. How are you? How's the action? How's the action, Mystic? Okay. Thank you, Mystic. Thank you, Brooke. Yeah. So going up, so Rick, going up to those targets you have will be bearish to the stock market, correct? So pound Aussie heading up is negative stocks. Mystics looking add on the guppy on a pullback to 54. We got it here at 54. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. Here's Mystic's look on the guppy. Thank you, Mystic. Looks like he's looking for 4.5, 460. Bought it at 397, partial. Looking 54.59 target. Thanks for laying it out for us and covering up your personal private information. And look at this. Mystic's up only 745%. Is that it, Mystic? You're only up 745%? You better work on your performance a little bit. Should be up at least 1,000% by now that you're in LAR. Don't you think, everyone? Don't you think that Mystic should be up 1,000%? He's slipping. What's wrong with you, Mystic? Thank you, Mystic. Leverage left. Okay. You have a good sense of humor. All right. Use less leverage when you trade the markets, right, buddy? Use less leverage so you could be up 745% of leverage left. Use less leverage. Brooke, you're a machine. Brooke is a machine. You are a darn machine, Brooke. Short here. Shorting it here. Thank you, Brooke. You are a machine, though, buddy. Gotta tell you. You're probably even more active than Ricardo, and he's pretty active. Thank you, Brooke. Can't get it out of your head. I don't know. Show us a picture of yourself, Brooke. You expect a disappointment? I think a lot of people are. Everyone doing all right? Yeah. Use synthetic oil. Probably good enough. I think that's smart. Yeah, that's very interesting. You're right. So here, thanks for sharing that, Mystic. So here's Brooke's Facebook. He's a tiger. Yes, Brooke does tweet in my stream. I'll tell you what, Mystic, if you have a Twitter handle, I'd love you to tweet in my stream some of your philosophy like that. I don't know if you tweet. What, the tiger? Are you saying the tiger? All I saw was a tiger. Now it's saying this content isn't available right now. It's not letting me in. You're Tony the Tiger. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. So I'm in Alexandros's camp. I'm not going to try and trade the reaction, but I'd rather be a better seller in the euro on rallies now. Looking to sell rallies in the euro. Don't believe this is it. Anywhere back towards 1350. Still think we'll trade 112 or lower. US dollar yen, don't think it's done yet. Think we have minimum 38%, which is about 110, halfway back 1070. And do want to point out that we're getting great price action. We went over this earlier in the Aussie Kiwi daily. Classic looking head and shoulders. We had a pull back towards 110 and threatening the neckline. Measures up towards 126, I believe. 123.40 on the weekly. And I want to thank everyone individually for sharing their work and ideas today. Brook the Machine, K.A. Mystic on his guppy, and sharing the philosophy of hating to lose more than loves winning. Fab and Abel and Dion and Ricardo sharing his trading style of scaling in with positions and scalping against positions. Horace, Mario, hope you enjoyed your time here. Welcome to LAR. PR Trading, welcome to LAR. Ed Z, M Fundo, hope you enjoyed the day. D. Kadic, my friend, have a great afternoon. Sugi, nice to meet you. Welcome to our community. Tolson, hang in there. Planet, Ali, Roland, Abel, my friend. PNM, nice to meet you. Hans, nice to meet you. And see everyone tomorrow. Wrap up the week. And remember, don't just count your pips. My trading warrior brothers and sisters, take some time today to think about what you're grateful for and count those blessings. See everyone tomorrow. Adios, my friends. You're welcome. You're welcome. You too. You're welcome, Roland. Glad to serve. Remember, D. Kadic, don't forget to nominate me for the Nobel Peace Prize. The category is humanitarianism. Okay. Working for free, so I want the Nobel Peace Prize. Thank you, Sinatra. It was great hanging out with you guys. Nice, Ricardo. Love and respect. L'chaim. L'chaim. Can everyone do ch? Try and do ch. L'chaim. To life. To life, my friends. See you tomorrow.